So the thing that matters that I want to explain is how I envision for all the remaining assets to work. So if you go to the data folder, you're gonna see that
Mm-hmm.
we have a new PNG called controls. So this
Mm-hmm.
is how we're gonna put the.
Mm-hmm.
This is how we're gonna. The, these are the tiles that I made in the same way that we did the tiles for the pieces. So these are all the controls that we have in the game.
Man, what are these?
What do you mean?
Are these like letters or
Yeah,
really?
yeah, these are letters.
Okay, so what is the like? Okay, so first top left is
Yeah,
like M,
yeah,
then W,
yeah,
then R,
yeah.
and then what?
A,
Yeah.
Q, D, S, E, space, and P.
Okay, that is not obvious, but sure.
No, no, no. Yeah, we can. I have this file saved, so we can change whatever we want.
Yeah,
But
yeah, it's not like it doesn't. It's not. It doesn't really matter right now. It's just that I saw that, and I mean I could tell that there is S and E, but and I guess P, but this is a Russian letter, and this is clearly O.
yeah, I agree that the O sucks. Like not O, D. That's supposed to be D, and that's not the best. But well, it is what it is. So that's how what I envision is that we're gonna pick each one of these styles and we're gonna put a text on the right side of them. So we're gonna have like M for mute, W for swap slash store, R for reset, and so on and so forth. And that will be happening on the bottom left part of the window,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah. So
Um,
so let's actually just go to the docs and like see
yeah,
what's
yeah,
in
no. So
there.
before that, can we go back to that because
Oh,
there's more
okay.
stuff. Okay,
Okay.
so if you go to a file called tetrimonios.ttf. So that is a font that I found. I don't know if
Okay, I
Emacs
don't
is
know
going to
if
be able to read it. Yeah.
okay, this is kind of able.
So this
Uh-huh.
is a font that I found really, really interesting. So I want to type Letris with it to see how it looks. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be on the top left of the window. So that's going to be the title of the game, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
And then the
Mm-hmm.
last thing is the where how we're gonna show to the user the piece that he has stored and the piece that is coming next. Okay. So if you go to draw.lisp inside the game folder,
Mm-hmm.
you're gonna see that there is a two new depth parameters, which is score level and piece spot. Score level is basically a rectangle. It's
Wait,
basic.
I don't. Oh, oh, okay. This one's.
Yeah. So
Sorry.
that score level is basically a rectangle that is surrounded by black tiles, and we're gonna have an empty. So it's a rectangle like a 10 of width and 3 of height. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then all the borders will be black, and then the middle will be empty, and then inside the middle we're gonna draw text in it to like the numbers of the score and the level as well. It's gonna be within the middle of that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that's basically what score level is. It's basically a rectangle, and then the piece spot are squares, 6 by 6s, also with that we're also gonna have black borders in, and then we're gonna draw the piece that we have stored, the representation of the piece, both the
Mm-hmm.
saved one and the next one, which are already
Mm-hmm.
slots in the board. We're gonna draw inside the spot those pieces, and these will be on the right side of the board when you're playing the game.
Mm-hmm.
And that's pretty much how we're gonna draw that. So I want to reuse the system of tiles that we already established before. So you will see that we have the number zeros and the number eights again to have the background in a black tile working as normal.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm thinking like that means wait. We basically don't want to we don't want to like how do I put it? We don't actually want images on the screen. because we don't need images. We only need tiles, and we already know how to put tiles.
Exactly.
Okay, so we only need like text.
Yeah, we need text and we need images because we need images in order to do the controls, and the button that will be on the right bottom that will link to the playlist on YouTube of we doing this thing. We need to know how to put the images on that, and we also need to know how to put text on the screen, and that's the goal of today's session.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Okay.
That's all that I did. Aside, oh no, there's another thing that I think I should mention. If you go to game.lisp, there's a new function called go to next piece.
Wait, is it? Is it here?
Game.lisp.
Yeah, it's here.
Yeah, so there's a new function called go to next piece, which is a function that basically is handling the logic between the next piece that we have already determined and the current piece that the player is actually seeing and manipulating on the screen. So if your next piece is new, that means that you just started playing the game, so there isn't a next piece saved already for you to do the swap. So we just spawn a new one for you, and otherwise we just swap them. Like we do a copy of the next piece to be the next one, and then we set that to the current one.
You see this?
Yeah, there are tabs there, right? I need to discover
Yeah.
how to disable that in my Emacs. That's me, my bad.
Yeah. Let me try to like. So. What is it?
Untabify or something?
Okay, but of course now the indentation is just broken.
Yeah.
So I kind of have to do this. Then I guess like this.
Yeah, and that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's basically what this function does. So when we establish that you need to go to a next round in the function handle next round, before I was just doing setf on the current piece using the spawn random piece before. Now I just call the function go to next piece, and that function will handle all the crap about using the next one or otherwise. And that's it. That's all that I did today.
Okay. Okay, 1 second.
So now we can go to the documentation that you wanted before.
Let me also, I just realized this is probably the case here, and it is. Okay. I still have some like problems with my vision.
Yeah, we need to add one. Yes, that's it. That's pretty much it. Okay, so now we can go to the documentation and see if this works. How are we gonna manage to do this?
So I'm not looking at this. I'm looking at this, I guess. Let me also do like this. Okay, so first of all, we will need like this.
Which probably is another library that the guy made.
Yeah, it is. So cool. Let me see it here. And it even has like a documentation, but it's in TXT.
That seems like Markdown or org mode, being honest, but I don't know why it's not being shown, like rendered. That's weird.
It's .mess. whatever that means. Okay, let me sort of do it like manually as I usually do, because I don't.
I really hope it's easy to draw text in like images. That should be really easy compared to what we already did.
I mean, I don't think it's like hard.
Don't we have an example of having an image on the getting started of the live trial? I remember seeing something like that. Let me double check.
Wait, but so we don't need images though.
What do you mean by we don't need images?
We have already. We just gonna use the tiles for images, right?
Well, we can if we want to do like tiles of 1 by 1. If you want, we can do that. You know what I mean? Like because each let's see in this way. Every single specific control is a separate entity. They are not connected in any manner, right? Or do you want to do like one followed by the other vertically? Do you want to do that? I
Well,
thought about adding some spacing between them.
yeah, but I mean,
Oh, we can do like a tile, then an empty, and then a tile, and then an empty. That
yeah,
works.
yeah, yeah. I mean, let's look at the image. So here's how you like do this with a PNG file or whatever,
Yep.
and then well,
But then he's using this as a texture for the cube. That's why we see cats
yeah,
on the cube. We just want to know how you put the image itself on top of the screen. Do you need to have maybe you need to have an entity then to have an image?
maybe.
That would
I
be
mean,
like why, but okay.
here it's uh, obviously he's doing it in 3D, so mm, it's not exactly. Okay, let me go, for example. No, okay, I don't need this.
Images. There's a thing there. Resources and assets.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
load
so
image.
from files into textures, you can use the image asset. It uses load image whatever, and you can also pass in number organs in the asset that will be forwarded to texture constructor, special arguments, texture class. Sure. Mm,
Loads the raw image from a source and returns one or more texture source instances. The source can be a path name, a list, a text source, a memory region, or an octet vector. So, how can I put it? We need to know. Okay, so as far as I can tell, an image will be a texture. So we need to learn how to have a rectangle and then put that image as a texture for it. Maybe that's what we need.
sort of, yes. Well, it's, for example, here, let me see,
Let's try that actually. So
yeah, I'm just,
that's a square.
well, no, this is a cube. It's just that you don't
Oh,
see it
okay,
because
so
it's
it's
so
a
wide.
2D camera thing. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, but it, I was just looking for this part, right, where he specifies that it's a cube, and I mean it's fine.
Can we go to
However,
the source code and try to see if we find like alongside unit cube maybe there's a unit square. Maybe there's
yeah,
are other
yeah,
things.
this is what I was thinking. Also, let me go to like and just do this in case.
Again, who needs
Ah,
documentation if you can read the
exactly,
source code?
exactly.
Ah.
Uh, doesn't he have like examples here?
There's a triangle example there.
Yeah, well,
Define
this is,
example.
yeah, this is a horrible way to like, I mean, I understand that the purpose here is that you can then maybe, I don't even see where he uses it, but he probably does. But
Hmm.
for examples, you never want to like do this kind of a shortcut. He doesn't even use it, man. Oh no, maybe he uses it here. Yeah, see? Now I don't understand anything that goes on here.
Oh no,
Mm,
no, no, there is a thing there. There is a shader entity called basic triangle. Uh-huh. And then this thing is inheriting vertex entity and vertex color entity. I don't know what those means. But then we have a vertex array, and then we have an init form of examples in a triangle. Uh, yeah, but this is not what we well, this is sort of what we want because we want a
yeah,
square.
yeah,
We don't want a triangle.
yeah. But this This just kind of shows like.
Wait, maybe we can build the triangles using the position thing that he's doing there? But instead of having only 3 coordinates, we're going to have 4? Do you see?
4 or 6?
No, but 6 is a cube. You don't want a cube, you want a square.
No. Cube is like 36.
Oh, I see what you mean. So actually
Yeah.
this vector is the vector of coordinates then?
I mean, I don't know. It's just that maybe this is 2 triangles. I mean, if you want a square, maybe it's 2 triangles.
No, but now
But
that
maybe.
now that you mention, I think all of these vertices are only one point in space, and then you have 3 vertices because that's what forms a triangle.
Well, yes,
So
sure.
maybe we can do the same with like 4?
Yeah, maybe.
Huh, that's interesting. But okay, can you copy this code, the define asset and the define shader entity
Wait,
of the
let
basic
me.
triangle?
No, wait. Let me see first. Okay, so what's the man? What is his? Launch. Okay, and what is the? Okay, so let me try to see how it looks like. I'll even
That's
restart
actually,
it and
yeah,
check
that's
with.
a good catch. Let's try to see what happens. And it doesn't. Cool.
Uh, okay, so I mean,
I mean.
uh, okay,
Well,
so this is launching stuff from like my console because this is what launch program does. What is
wait a second.
CC?
CC is a C compiler, isn't it? Am I
Um,
crazy? Isn't CC
no,
like a
wait,
C compiler?
no, that would be GCC.
No. But there is a shortcut for GCC. Yeah. It is a compiler.
Okay, let me
It is
check.
the portable C compiler, apparently.
Okay,
Difference between GCC and CC. Okay, so they are different, but it is indeed a compiler.
okay.
The heck? What is this thing trying to do? It is trying to run, like, probably OpenGL with CC? What?
Yeah, and this is what like exited with error code 1. So
Yeah, it is C code, so yeah, it is trying to compile C for some reason. Are you sure the quick reload should work this? Should
yeah,
work?
yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay.
Well,
We
all
can
right.
test it.
Keep your secrets then.
I like the enthusiasm.
Mm, yeah, but I mean, we can like we don't even need this. We only need like these 2 things, nothing
Yes.
else.
We only need these 2 things, yes. But that's the thing.
Mm,
We don't know how to put it on the screen yet, but that's a different problem.
well, no, okay. So let me quickly
Yeah,
put them
put it in there.
here, and we can just like enter, not enter. What was the function? This is like the same as board. Like you,
Oh, okay, that works then.
this is the shader entity. So
Okay, so go
let's
to game. I think it's in game.lisp. It is the entry point, maybe.
yeah.
Oh, you're gonna see. You're
Yeah,
gonna try to see if it works. Okay.
yeah.
Well, it doesn't. No pool
Oh
with
yeah,
name
because
examples.
right. I
Okay, we
guess
need to use
I got
Letris.
allow.
Actually, we should put this inside assets.lisp, I think.
Yeah. Otherwise, it might not work properly.
Yeah. Game, and then assets. Yeah, it's the last one there.
No wait. Here. Right.
Cool.
Okay. So.
That's
Yeah, it's
freaking cool. Yeah, so instead of examples, you're just gonna go Letris assets.
yeah.
It would be so freaking nice if it just works because.
Yeah, so this, and then this is like, oh yeah, here. Oops. Damn, sometimes I don't understand like what's the idea behind this thing. Okay, so.
Yep. Okay.
Mhm.
Does this work? Yes.
Yeah, so
Okay.
now I need to.
Yeah, you need to put that inside game.lisp, I believe.
Yeah, so basic triangle.
Yeah. And
I will probably.
so, is there a launch
No, it's in the.
setup? Okay, so it's
Yes.
inside setup.lisp, no?
Yeah, I see like 1 week passed and I kind of forgot.
You
Yeah, so.
forgot. Yeah, that's cool.
So like here, and then I go like enter. Make.
Make instance. Yep. Please blow us away. Let's see.
Okay, so well, what will be the coordinates of this thing?
I think it's well. We're gonna discover. We're gonna discover right now.
Yeah,
That's gonna be
I
really
suppose.
interesting. Maybe you should restart.
No, it's
Sly.
fine. Oh, the variable, but the
Oh, now
music
I can
started
hear the
playing.
music. That's weird. Oh man, this music's so good. Dun, 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 dun.
Variable triangle is unbound. I guess I didn't rename everything.
No,
Like,
it is
well,
his
everything.
assets.
Yeah, so.
So there's a triangle thing somewhere. Oh, it
Oh
is in
yeah.
there. Oh, it is a define. Oh wait, what? I'm confused.
Ah, right. Yeah, it's like this.
Oh,
Okay, let me restart it because it might.
yeah. Now it's
Everything.
a problem with OpenGL.
Okay, let's see. Well, there was like a triangle there.
There was?
Yeah. It flashed.
Really?
See? Yeah.
That's really interesting. So maybe the board is on top of it?
Yeah, something like that. Let me actually just.
Go to setup and comment the board out.
Yeah.
The music still goes though.
Yeah. Well,
That's
that's
kind of
of course
interesting.
because.
Oh, that's because we do the first music launch trigger ourselves. That's not being done
Yeah.
by the board. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I can see the triangle though. You said it's flashed. I still can't see it flashing anything.
Yeah. I only saw it flashing the first time.
Hmm.
What? What? Okay. Go back. And I'll go like here. I don't think it matters.
I also don't think it matters. Oh, I saw
There
it.
again. Yeah.
I saw it this time.
Okay. Okay. So
Can you comment the render pass as well? Comment out. We just want
um,
the 2D camera and the triangle. Let's suppose that for a moment.
I'm not sure, but okay. No, it's yeah, it's black now. It is black now. And if I do it like this, it will flash. Okay, it doesn't flash, but.
Okay, so
So
we don't know how to make to put the triangle on the screen.
yeah,
Phew.
it's weird that it disappears. Let me see what is in the in the definition. Okay, so this is a vertex entity.
Oh, okay. I was wondering why the colors were so different. So there is color things going on there.
Yeah.
Okay, that works.
Okay, so and huh. Okay, let me go and okay, so it's definitely vertex entity, and it is also vertex colored entity.
Can you do me a favor though? Can you copy
Yeah,
that line up there?
this one?
Yeah. I want to see what
Okay.
happens if you do it like that. Because even if this is a cube, we don't care because we only have a 2D camera.
Well, no, no. Okay,
I
so
know it's not the best approach, but I just want to
no, but I
see if
mean,
this
he
works.
later, like literally in the next listing, he just defines it like this, and then uses it, here.
Oh,
So
okay, okay.
it's definitely not an issue. Uh,
Dun, 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 dun.
okay, and then he goes on about like reactions and stuff, which is yeah, and then boning and whatnot. Okay, so it's just like here. Uh, vertex mesh and whatever. And
Where are
what
we
was
doing
new?
launch, by the way?
Here.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Are we doing anything weird in there?
Not really, no.
How is the launch on the example triangles project?
It
Can you go
mm,
back there?
it's like it's really similar. So well, yeah, it's just that.
What are we doing different than that? Can you go back?
Well, so let me. Yeah, we don't pass any additional like initial arguments and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And oh, by the way, this has trial alloy show panel and something. That's interesting.
Ah,
But we will look at this later.
menuing panel. Okay, so that's probably what does menus and stuff.
Uh-huh.
Ah,
Uh,
it's so bad that we can't see this running. That would be help. That would help a lot.
yeah.
There are some commas. Of course, this is Lisp.
Yeah, okay, so
Mm-hmm. Initialize
uh,
instance. Call next
no,
method.
it's fine. Like I'm not sure exactly what's happening here
Oh,
because
wait. Isn't there like a project that you showed me in the beginning of our adventure with trial, which is very, very obscure to find? Maybe that's easier because that I remember that having that has squares. Do you remember that?
oh yeah, like the one where it has some moving squares and they
Yeah,
shoot
yeah, yeah,
stuff
yeah,
at
yeah,
each
yeah.
other. Yeah, but I mean, sure. I kind of I forgot
Bec-
what it's
Maybe that's
called.
easier to grasp instead of especially because you can run it.
Yeah, but oh,
Now
Little
the
Spark. This is what it's called. Little Spark.
Okay, I'm so glad that you remember that fast.
Yeah, but I just saw the name. Okay, so it has like entities
Player
and
character. Okay. We have that's fine. There's a function inflict damage. That's fine. There's a player character tick thing going on. There's a die. There's a render. There's a render though. Entity player
yeah,
character.
yeah, but
Look at that. That's like C code.
yeah, it's well, it's OpenGL stuff. It's not exactly
Sure.
C because
Yeah.
don't.
I know. It has like a specific syntax and stuff. I know,
Uh-huh.
but it's very
Well,
close to C anyway.
this where's the like what I want to see here is it doesn't load on these versions. Like it loads on very specific commit, and it's old commit.
Okay. Yeah, but let's try to see where it is doing the rendering. Because if it's doing with OpenGL in C, that will suck a lot. I hope it's in Lisp.
Yeah, I just want to see where it defines like the assets
Well,
because
do a find, do a search with assets in here.
right. Okay. So sure and define.
I would put just asset, but that works.
Okay, never mind. I don't know how to use grep from inside Emacs. I
That's
kind of
okay.
figured that out.
That's okay. I see what you mean.
Yeah, so visuals. Okay,
Okay,
visuals.
the name is not bad. We're just like not paying that much attention. Ooh, make rectangle mesh. What the heck is that?
Yeah, no, but this is just his like yeah, this is from trial.
This is
It still
exactly
does
what we want, no?
well, yeah, but this still doesn't explain at all, which I mean is fine. Why is it that the triangle is not showing? Like
No, but
it
that's a
flashes
different
in the
problem. I understand that this does not solve the triangle problem, but if you can just do a square and not care about the triangle problem, I'm completely fine with that.
Okay, let's do that then. Let's actually go back.
Yeah, so there is a function called make rectangle mesh, and I
Yeah,
guess
I
this is the
remember
size.
we even like
Nice, dude. Nice. That's exactly what
we
we
even
want.
we even saw that, so I'm not very surprised. So let me go.
Yeah, we still need to know how he's doing the launch of that. How he's actually doing it.
Well, no, the launch is no different from what we do.
Okay.
So here I'll just replace this. Okay, and I'm not gonna call it triangle now because it's kind of
Let's put
stupid.
square in here.
Okay, square.
Yeah. Oh, imagine if this works, how awesome would it be?
Well, I'm like it will work in a sense. I'm pretty sure it will work in a sense that it
Wait, I want
will
to do
will.
another test with this. So, can you do a Mac rectangle mesh and then set a texture to it? Can we do that, do you think?
I'm pretty sure that we can. Like, if we can do it for triangle, I see no reason that we wouldn't be able to. Okay, let me restart and then. Oh, I need to change it in the.
No, I don't
Okay,
think
this
you
is
need to
not a basic
change.
triangle. This is a basic square
Yeah,
or whatever. We will rename it so. And now I need to change it in the setup and do like basic square, whatever.
yeah. But if this works, I want to see if we can put a texture on it because I already have an image that we can test inside the assets.
Yeah.
Okay, that works.
Uh,
And
oh well, it's
indeed
good.
works.
Okay,
Awesome.
but it's really small.
Yeah, but that's completely fixable. So let's put 200 by 200 next time, and let's go back to the documentation where he's talking about textures and images
Yeah,
and load image and stuff.
let me just like
That's too big, I think, but that's okay.
uh I just want to like this way we will see the picture, you know. Yeah.
Oh, actually, I lied. That's exactly.
Okay. So the
Now we need to know how to do the texture thing. Yeah, we
yeah,
need
so
that. We need that asset
and
cat thing. We're gonna do the same.
it inherits from this
Cool.
and yeah, that's it.
Okay, so copy the cat asset thing also.
Well, no, we don't need. Oh, okay, yeah. I mean, I guess we will need it, but first let me put this here.
Yes.
And in fact, we don't need this.
Yes, we don't need that.
And then we will need to do like. Is it? Do I have this image?
Yeah. So instead of cat, we're gonna rename it to button, like drn dash button.
Say again.
drn dash button. And then the name of
Like
the
this?
image is the same .png. This is the button that when you click, you're gonna go to the YouTube thing.
Ah, okay.
We don't know how to make it a button yet, but this is the only image that we have to test it.
Okay, it's here, right? It's like here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, so
So
and
now you
then
need to do the
here.
texture thing, yes. Oh man, I'm getting excited. We are getting there.
So
Cool. You lack one parenthesis there, but I think you're, yeah.
no, it will fix it for
Yeah.
me. So this is drn.
Button, and we also need to change the trial one to Letris
Yeah.
assets, I believe. Oh boy. Okay.
Huh? Oh yeah, because I. Okay, so this and then this.
Okay,
And
and
okay.
boy, oh boy. Oh, that's wrong.
Well,
Okay, first things first, we need to make it smaller because the scaling is broken. So let's make 200 by 200 next time. And now the question is why it was shifted.
I suspect that the whole thing, like, it's not. It's only showing 1/4 of it.
Oh. Oh, so then 400 by 400 is ginormous.
Well, it's bigger than we need, but this is not like a big issue.
Yeah, I
we
agree.
We need to like put it.
How do we control where the heck we're gonna put it?
You inherit from a thing, which is, let me see, trial. Yeah, located entity there.
Okay. So let's go to the assets and let's add there to the inherents.
And then in the setup, you can pass in the location.
Let's put like for now, I don't know, maybe I don't know, 200 by 200, like in the middle of the freaking screen. Ah,
Yeah.
this is still too big, but it worked. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the following. So we're gonna need, let's first change that to 200 by 200.
It's funny how this is not square anymore.
No, this is not square because the image is not a square.
Yeah, but like, it's good that the rest is not, like, the square here still exists, but you don't see it.
Yes, it is a PNG, so that's gross. Okay, now we need to do the two things. Let's make it smaller first.
Wait. Let's now do the final test, which is I uncomment this and then I. Okay. Nice.
Oh man.
I was worried that it might be like, okay, what if I do this? Okay.
Yeah, so that's the math that I want to do actually. So let's do the following. Let's make it smaller first. I think 400 by 400 is a little too much. Let's do half in both dimensions. And then now, I want this button to be on the exact same place that it is, but on the right side. You see? So it would be nice if we do the math to know what is the coordinate that will be. And we also need to change the resizing event to also take care of that.
Right.
So now it's the question. Uh, Okay, first thing,
Well,
let's rename it instead of basic square. Let's rename this to DRN button because this is not this is a square that has a texture.
do you want? Okay, wait a second though.
What?
This is important here. You want this to be like a button, right?
Yes, I want this to be a button.
So it might be that what we're doing right now is kind of pointless because this is not a button; it's just an image. And
Yes,
maybe
I agree. But this is like a proof of concept on how to put images on the screen because you're gonna have to do that anyway.
right, okay.
But I
It's just that the
agree. Yeah.
buttons might work completely
Oh yeah,
differently.
completely. That's completely a thing. I agree.
Mm-hmm.
But just for
Okay.
now, basic square, I think it's kind of like misleading. So that's why I'm suggesting to change it.
Okay. I wonder if I can actually. Can I? Yeah. Okay.
We need to change that in the setup now.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now we need to do the freaking math. So we want to be, instead of on the left, on the right. So I guess it's changing the first 200. The first 200 needs to be something else. Question: Can we have the
Yeah, we have
width, right?
width and height, yeah. So
Yeah.
I
So let's
suspect it
do.
can be kind of like.
Yeah. Let's put a little bit
And then,
more. Let's put 250 in that thing there.
well, I mean, sure. It's just that
Yeah.
I
We
want to
also
do
need
it
to
like
change the
this.
resizing. But let's test
Yeah,
this
yeah. But
first.
first, let's test this.
That's not bottom.
Because one of them shouldn't be that. It should be just the number.
Okay, so let's put 250 in this one, in the height one.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. I want more to the right, so it's less than 250, I guess. No, it's the first 250 that you change.
Yeah, this.
Yes. I want lower though. So let's, I guess, decrease this or increase this. Yeah, decrease. Let's try decrease first. I always get confused on which convention these people are using. Can you do full screen now? Just for us to to have a. Okay, we need
Yeah,
to change the event now.
yeah, sure. Well, right. Just the event.
Okay, the event is
Where is
inside
that?
draw, I believe.
Right, it's like
There,
yeah.
resize. So then we do
Okay,
a set
so
def of the location of the DRN button, I guess.
we just do like this.
Mm-hmm. And yes, I agree, totally agree with you that probably the way that buttons work will not match this way. Maybe the interface will be similar though, so maybe it's not a bad thing. And I also I have no idea how we're gonna get this thing to launch the browser. Like we're gonna make it a link, I guess, and then the OS will take care of like launching the browser.
Oh, it's not. Huh? Okay, so there is no like. Okay, so there is no H. There is just width, resize, and whatnot, and that's fine.
Yeah.
However, this is one problem. No, not this, just that. The other problem is that somehow my parinfer thinks that, I mean, hello? You good?
Hello? Yeah, it seems broken AF.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, just put
kind of.
the extra parentheses now. Okay, can you try to Control C this?
I'm just checking if. Okay, so.
Okay, setf is complaining. Undefined
Oh,
variable.
oh yeah. No, oh, yeah, right. Yeah, I see. So not exactly this. Okay, so yeah, it's broken. The parinfer died. Wow, for no reason even. Like there were no tabs or anything. Like tabs make him go crazy. We need like a separate handler. This is the thing.
Okay, that
Because
makes a
it's
lot
about the
more
board.
sense.
So we need like a DRN button and then resize and
Oh,
this and
the
then
boilerplating though.
uh
Yeah, this is yeah, but as you have more stuff, these will like grow fast. But okay.
yeah, we will think about what to do with this. I have like some ideas, but
Okay. Okay,
um
now let's try to launch it and resize it.
what
And it doesn't work.
the oh
It always surprises me that the music starts, even if the OpenGL like
yeah,
nukes.
like right now it works despite the fact that I okay.
You can't play the game, but you can chill the music.
Yeah. Okay, so what was wrong here?
It was saying undefined variable, DRN button, I believe.
I mean,
Let's try again. You just restarted. Maybe something was broken before.
oh I oh maybe. Oh yeah, there we go.
Okay, now you can resize it. It's broken.
Yeah.
Why?
The board moves, but this
But the
thing
image
doesn't.
doesn't. The fuck?
Wait, has that? Did I compile that? I mean, I did.
Yeah, you did compile it. I'm very confused right now.
There's no like.
Okay, can you
There
go to
shouldn't
the
be.
function make the full board? I forgot where it is.
Well,
Yeah,
it's
it is in
here.
here.
Yeah, it's
So
just that.
does this has anything to do with the fact that it's? Oh wait, can you disable the music? Like, can you put can you put new on that? Because for development, it's not the greatest experience.
So let me actually just.
Yeah, comment this line and then put another one on top of that with music to new.
Oh, let's do this.
Yeah, but you need the parentheses though.
Yeah, yeah, right. Because it's broken and it doesn't want me. Oh man, this is bad because I'm so used to it that
Yeah, but
yeah.
that's how I train using parentheses. Like every time I'm doing Lisp or Racket, I purposely don't install any extension or packages to do exactly
Yeah, but
that.
it makes it so much harder though.
Well, for me, it makes my mind think with the parentheses. That's
Yeah,
what I.
but you don't need to when you have these tools.
Yeah, but I want to because you complained so much about it last time.
Well, I guess. Okay.
I guess. Okay, but we don't know that there's nothing special here, so we don't know why it is not when you resize, it is not moving, which is rather weird.
Yeah, I'm thinking. Mm,
Dun, 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 dun. Can you put a print of the location of the RN button in that handler?
oh, I'm stupid. Better to do this.
No, I want to see if the location. I don't want to print the new one. I want to see if the location is being grabbed correctly. That's my kind of like what I wanted.
Oh, so you want to like
Print location DRN button, yeah.
Oh, okay. So basically this.
Yeah, if this prints new, that's why it's broken.
Yeah. Okay, so like it doesn't print at all, I think.
Oh, it's not printing at
Yeah.
all.
Yeah.
But
This
the
is what I
window,
was
the frame buffer is being resized there.
Yeah, it says so.
I'm totally confused. Totally confused. Why the board works and this doesn't work? Huh.
Okay, let me go check just in case the definition of a board. So it's well,
Oh,
it's
listener, listener.
Oh, you're right, man. This is probably it.
Ooh.
It should react to, yeah.
Okay, but we are learning. This is not taking like hours to discover. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay. I'm pretty happy with that. It bothers me a lot that when the window launches first, the board is not entirely like. Can we make the initial window larger, like bigger?
I'm pretty sure we can, but I don't know like how to do it properly. I think we even discussed it, and I said I will ask, but I didn't ask. Sorry.
Okay. No. Okay. That's okay. Okay. But now now we know how to put images. We need
Okay,
to.
let me remove the where is it? The print.
Yeah. Let's remove the print. Next thing that I think we should do is to try to discover how to put text on the screen.
Yeah, but this is also done with Alloy, as far as I'm concerned.
Okay, but do we... Okay, can you keep scrolling?
Yeah.
Panels. Yeah, this is for menu stuff. We want... Oh man, don't tell me it doesn't support text. It always assumes that you have images. Please don't. Please the freak don't.
No, I'm pretty sure it does support text, but because he has text in Candria, like he had.
Yeah, but that
Fonts and
doesn't matter. Maybe the text is an image, dude.
No. He has like fonts. He has literal like TTF files.
Okay.
Stuff. And I mean, he has like a lot of text, and we even seen the text in files. You remember we saw like not TXT, but like some files with text, and it was in different languages and stuff. So yeah. I mean, it would be insane to draw all the dialogues it has in the game.
It would be insane. Oh, dude, I don't know if I would classify that as insane. Alloy enter. Alloy enter.
Oh, this is like.
Huh. But how the heck you have you put the font that you want to use?
Well. Might be well.
Maybe.
Might be like.
Go.
Maybe this is just like something basic and you can like upgrade it and stuff. But let me read this first. Okay.
Yeah,
So
but
this
I
is
think
like
we should go to Candria, like maybe and search for what you said. You said there's TTF files there. If we search for TTF, maybe we're gonna find the use case.
Okay, let's see.
No, but you can read that. You said that you want to read it. Sorry.
Well, let me first go here. Oh, no. Is it here? Yeah. Let me first find these TTF files, which I have no idea where they are. I guess I can like use find for that.
Yeah, find on that.
So, oh no, it's here. Local projects, Candria, and then what was it? Like find. Oh yeah, there we go. TTF. Oh no, don't delete anything. There. Huh.
Huh.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah, but can
Does
you
it
grab
do
on it? Can you grab
recursive?
the grab TTF?
Grep, I think grep searches inside files.
Yeah, but
No?
that's what we want. And I'm going to tell
Ah,
you why. Because remember that I told you that I
yeah.
didn't find the images in the Kendra repo, but he's clearly loading them.
Oh, yeah. Well, okay,
Uh,
no, wait. This is not,
this is
this is like,
completely not what we want. Okay, so I have absolutely no idea how to reload the fonts.
wait, lang, dev or something. Is it dev? Dev quest 6. Okay, so lang, dev, no, wait, quest 6. This is,
Okay, so this is how you do the dialogue. Do you want it to know? It is like this. So you basically write
okay.
it down in here, and then you probably parse
No,
that.
well, this is not dialogue, though. This is like this is names of the paths with maybe you know
Wow, that's be kind of cringe, but okay.
yeah, and then he has stuff in here.
Oh man.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
okay, let me go. I think that shouldn't this be? Yeah. So this is the English version. Let me go like here and see what storyline.lisp, huh? Okay, this is not like possible. I mean, it's a
I
lot of
don't know,
code.
man. In the documentation, there is no section for text.
You mean like here or like here?
Yeah, like there. Because he has one for audio, he has one for images and textures and meshes, but he doesn't have anything for text, which is again, it is very kind of weird. But well,
Okay,
maybe
let
game
let me
development is
let
weird.
me check. Um, so I'll open a new one, and then I'll go. Oh, you were already checking this, right?
Yeah, 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 I'm checking there.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So the reason why I said that for the text you need to use like alloy is that I didn't of course get it from this docs because it doesn't say anything about text, but I asked my friend and then he asked the developer and then the
And
developer said that the text you do with alloy, this is why.
okay, okay, okay. So let's go back there. Let's read what you wanted to read before. I'm sorry.
Yeah, let me man, this is like too small.
Yeah, Control
It's
plus.
yeah, sure I can do this,
Yeah.
but it's still not nice to read. Let
Yeah,
me
it is
skim it.
because for some reason this guy likes to use .mess instead of .md. Examples. A set of simple examples for alloy can be found in the examples directory.
So here,
Animation,
well,
canvas, drop, font mixing, fonts. Fonts is a good one.
yeah, I'm just checking if there's anything else, but let's go to fonts. Okay, so here's how you set a font or whatever.
What if you have a TTF file though? He's using Arial. Arial is like a default font. What if you have a custom one?
Uh, we can like this is just a string in the
Yeah, but how
in
do
the
you
in the
map
slot.
the string to something external?
Yeah. So,
Does this repo has TTF files?
oops. Uh, well, this particular directory doesn't.
Yeah.
I mean, I am really, I would be really surprised if. Well, it
There.
has a SVG, so
Yeah, but this is
maybe.
only the logo though. So
Yeah, right.
windowing test structure renders. Let's go to components or layouts. Maybe there. No,
No,
this is
this is
only
just
Lisp.
text input. Okay, good to know, but okay.
Oh, and there's a button there in the components folder. There's a thing called button. That's gonna be interesting to.
Right.
Maybe the entire interface is controlled by this. The entire
Mm-hmm.
set of interfaces. Like if you want to use anything that is not like an asset in the sense of being like a square or a triangle. You want text, you want menus, you want buttons. You use this for everything else. There is even animation.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. What was it? Oh, layouts.
Flow,
Right.
swap.
No idea what that is. Okay, but let me read the example. This. So okay, so sure, define example. Oh man, he really loves this thing.
He really loves
I
it.
don't like it. I don't even understand what's going on here. Define example. Dude. Where is that like what is this thing doing?
Yeah, but I believe that's a macro, no?
Well, it is a macro, but that means it can do whatever. And the fact that it uses let inside means it doesn't do much, but it's still like not not really nice to read. Like if you do example, don't do this. Just write it out fully. Like come on.
Yeah, I agree that that would be like very more interesting.
Okay, well maybe we can. Hmm. Okay, let me try to do it like that. Oops, sorry. Let me do it the hard way, which is I will load just alloy.
The hard way.
I don't even know if. Okay, and then is there like a package for the examples? Ah, well, there is a system. Okay. Uh, wait, what? Never mind.
Downloading the world. Yeah, I don't think there is any TTF, which kind of means that I don't know how we're gonna manage to do that.
Wait. Just wait a bit. Okay, so where is the? Okay, never mind. I'll just use this. I don't know where he defines this package, but doesn't matter. Okay, now the question is, how do I like run this or whatever? No?
Yeah.
I mean, it clearly is supposed to be sort of like runnable in a sense, but I don't know what is that thing I'm supposed to run. See, there is a word TTF here, just for the record.
Ooh, there is okay. So okay, so that's better. So List fonts. Discovery list fonts. Delete duplicates. String equal. Huh. So he's probably searching for TTFs.
Yeah, he like uses the
Why in the balls would you do it like that though?
might be that he just didn't bother with something, you know, like smart to discover all the TTF files in the directory or something.
No, but why would you want to discover it? Why don't you allow it to be a parameter?
No, well, it is a parameter. He puts it in the slot.
Yeah, but
Sorted,
why not a file
sorted.
path? Like, why are you doing a search?
Well, he doesn't want. He collects them. This is not a single file. This is like a list of
No, I
files.
understand. He is going to a directory and searching for TTF files in there. I completely understand that. What I don't
Yeah,
understand is why would you do it in that way?
yeah. But what other way do you suggest?
Just just provide me for the value set slot. Just provide me a file path that I'm gonna tell you where it is. You don't need to search for it.
Yeah, but he doesn't search for a single file. He
No, he
has
searched
multiple
multiple
files.
ones. Okay, that's a neat feature. If you have multiple fonts, okay, allow you to do a discovery. But what if I want something simpler? Like, what if I just want to be able to put a text on the screen? You know what I mean?
I mean, I'm pretty sure you can just put like a list with a single actual path.
Oh, okay, that solves it. That would
Yeah.
solve it.
I mean, this is kind of obvious. Like, this is still a list. It's just that he does it like.
Yeah, but this is in your examples. Like, I don't
Yeah.
understand. But okay.
Okay.
Um,
So, um, I wanna really like launch it or something, but
I'm
for
trying to read the README to see if it explains how to launch it.
okay, I will have to go to the freaking no wait, this is Candria. I want Alloy, and then examples, right? And then whatever, for example, fonts, and then I will have to go and see where the fuck is this define example thing. Oh, there, toolkit. Okay, so
Wait. I
sure.
what is what is going on there? So he's defining a function that starts with a comma. You can do that?
No,
Or is
no.
this doing the backtick like forcing
Yeah, yeah, this
evaluation
is
thing?
yeah, this is like here's the backtick, and he just needs to have same name as the.
Ah, okay, no, okay, my bad. Okay, that makes sense. Although I'm still like it kind of it kind of I don't know makes me uncomfortable, but I understand it.
Okay, this is kind of fine, but I still don't know how to like launch anything, you know. Mm,
Okay, so we did 10 sessions to learn Lisp and do the logic of Tetris. And now we are doing 10 more sessions or to discover how to use a game engine library.
no, this is kind of reasonable. I mean, I would actually say that the logic and stuff is easier than just. I mean, at least for me, than discovering how to use a library.
No, it is easier. It is easier, but it's kind of funny because when you think about modeling, like doing any game, my first immediate concern is about the logic. But here, my immediate concern is probably the logic is going to be really easy, but the library will make it a hell. So,
Okay, so it's interesting like this.
I'm not
Makes
saying
it
that
look
his
like
library
okay.
is bad. I'm just saying that
What?
for us,
Wow.
what the heck is going on there?
Okay, he says it may take a while.
Okay, the full screen is completely done, but okay, let's do the following. Restart and let's wait this time instead of start clicking stuff.
Yeah.
Wait, is that taking all this time just to load the font? There's no way.
No, he said that he's like trying to cache some fonts and something. Yeah.
Okay, maybe all the well, that's still a long time. That is still a very long time.
Yeah, but
No, no,
I
let's
mean,
wait. Let's wait. Don't close it.
I suspect it might like be broken because I didn't restart anything.
Oh, okay.
Let me restart it just to be safe. So like this, and then this.
Okay, we are waiting. We are
Yeah,
waiting.
it doesn't say that it needs to cache anything or whatnot, but it still kinda takes a long time.
Maybe the cache corrupted because we messed things around.
Well, I hope not, but let's wait a little bit.
Okay, let's wait.
I mean, I don't really see how do you corrupt a cache. It's not like, I mean, it was showing as the correct thing, so after that you shouldn't touch the cache.
Um,
It
um,
takes more time than before, so I suspect something might be broken.
yeah, kind of feels like it.
I would expect it to like work immediately, you know.
Yeah, this is just loading like a couple of buttons and like putting text on the screen.
Yeah.
Like there's nothing like outstanding going on.
Okay, let me close this, and then maybe go to font, font mixin. Since we didn't touch that,
Yeah,
it
but
should
that's
be
not doing
corrupted.
any. I don't know where this is doing text stuff, but okay. This might
Okay,
take a
this
while.
might
This might
take
take
a
a while.
while. Okay, sure.
Okay, what the heck happened? Are you there? Wait,
Yeah.
wait. Do you look on the thing? Caching font atlas from. So that's how he does it. He assumes it is on your machine. Why would you do that though? Why? Why?
Oh, it still is like caching and whatever. It shows something,
Yeah,
but
but why is he messing up with your local system though? Why? I really don't understand this approach. But you see there, slash user, slash share, slash
yeah.
fonts. Oh my freaking god. If this is not like mutable, if you can't change this, I'm gonna be so disappointed. So disappointed.
Let's see what it does actually here. Well, what is it? Prompt font. Okay, so I assume it's this.
Oh, okay, so whatever he's doing, he's caching in a JSON file.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Dude, this is really weird though. Really weird. So where is he using language lipsum? There. Where is he using? Oh, there. Getf.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. I think.
And it's still okay. No, that's too long. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, but then we can't run any examples.
Yeah,
Wait,
like
wait, I have an idea. I have an idea. Go to the .cache folder that you have in your machine. Go to Alloy, delete everything, and let's try to run fonts again.
oh yeah, right, right. Good call. Okay, so
Yeah, delete this folder. Delete this. Yeah. Now let's try to run fonts again.
okay,
The
let me
first one.
even restart it.
Yeah, yeah, that's safer. That's safer. Ah,
Okay, so this and then like this.
okay, this may take a while. That's fine. But again, he's loading. Now I understand. I'm reading there. So he's loading the font. Why? Why? Like, like can you try to explain to me why would you ever consider doing that?
I have no idea. Also, I don't like that it says this now, but the oh okay.
Can you type it?
Well, yeah, I can.
Okay,
I
so what?
cannot highlight it, but
Yeah, but what happens if you click start and stop or whatever?
okay, so it makes it like start.
Oh, this is alignment maybe? Middle? Oh yeah.
Yeah. And it's like, and it's not okay. The menu is not really well designed, but I guess he didn't bother.
What happens if you click on Arial, like the first button on the left? Nothing happens? Oh, it does!
Yeah,
So probably it does it did the discovery crap, and then it is like it
yeah,
searched for all the TTFs on your system.
yeah. This is why it took a while to transform it into JSON, and I mean, then okay, okay, click this. Oh my God, no! Don't do this, dude.
What happened?
See, he does this again. No, wait,
Oh!
it's not like he cached all of them. He does that every time. Well, at least on this like system, he does that every
Oh!
time that I want a new phone.
Yeah, 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 no, but that makes sense. Maybe the time that it took in the beginning, it is because it was finding all the TTFs in your system. I have no idea why you would you do all that search.
Okay. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's go to the fonts now and see what
Okay, the
happens here.
first thing that we need to try to discover is how the heck we're gonna change the location where we are trying to find the TTF.
Well, this seems to be easy because it's here. It's value set. He like he uses all of this fancy stuff
Okay, I
to
have a
find
suggestion then.
them. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so instead of doing all of that,
Yeah, let's
remove all
just
of
put
that
it.
and let's put a path that I know where a font is.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's do this.
So let's go to Letris. Inside the data folder, there's a font there.
Okay, so he uses like just the string. So is it this? Yes. And then Lisp, Letris, and then
Game,
what? Oh yeah, game. And then
data.
what? And
There are
then
two fonts in here. One of them is called.
this
Uh,
one.
let's try this one, Tetrimonious.
Okay.
Search and then change the Arial in the beginning up there, like in the def class that he did there. Maybe probably that's the default. Let's change that to the one that we have now.
Okay. So it's tetraminos.
Yeah,
This is what it is.
yeah. There's another font there if this doesn't work because this font is kind of like I would say weird. So let's try to Control C both of those and see what happens. Is the application still running by the way?
Oh yes, it does. Let me close it. In fact, let me even kill the cache again, because the
Sure.
might be.
I wonder what the heck he's saving in the JSON though.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't know how TTF files work, so I have no idea. Maybe it's
Maybe
easier to
he's
work in
caching it because
JSON, but
it's faster to load afterwards. Like
okay,
easier
let's
to
see.
parse. It is doing bad things, for sure. Because it is going to user share fonts liberation sans regular. Oh no, it is now it changed only the JSON name. What the heck?
Well, the JSON name he took from here, I guess.
Yeah, but where is this deja vu sans coming from now?
I have no clue, and also I don't know why he did this first, and then he did this. This I don't understand. Like, where did he took the word Arial from?
Maybe he has a default because he knows that every system has Arial installed. Like
No,
if
that.
you are doing it that way, which I don't know why you should, but if you are, it would be nice to have like a default value that if everything fails, you have something to go with it. Okay, can you try to resize the window because I remember that when you did that, things changed.
Well,
Okay, so it's
yeah, but
definitely broken.
yeah,
Uh,
it's yeah, right. Oh, wait,
no,
what?
it is still doing deja.
Yeah,
Okay, so apparently whatever he's doing, that thing that we change is not actually that there's nothing related to the how would you call it? To the font
yeah, I
itself.
understand.
That's a path that's
Let
here
me
where we're
see.
gonna do the JSON thing.
Yeah, but this is like, yeah, but I mean, this is really. Oh wait. Hmm. Okay, I'm sorry. I should have read this code. So what he does here is he like, okay, so for font in this, and I guess this just shows you the path to the folder with fonts. Okay, die. And it hanged. Oh my god. Yeah, dude, of course it doesn't exist. I know
Yeah,
that.
that makes sense.
So for font in this, whenever it's like a TTF file, he collects the family of that font, which is probably just the name of the file. So while there is a word
No,
TTF
that's not
here,
that.
it's
I
not.
don't think that's the case
I mean,
because
that's
because
literally the case.
TTF like when you download a pack of fonts, I know this because I already did before. When you download a pack of fonts, some fonts they have a family, which is like multiple fonts, but they have like bold or italic or whatever, italic, bold, and stuff like that. But they are all the same font. But you need different files for every single version of it. So maybe he's discovering like all the possible versions of.
Yeah, but
Uh,
this is why he has deleted duplicates afterwards.
ah,
I think.
okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, and then so he doesn't really care about TTFs. He really cares about the names, I think. Here at least.
Okay, so I have a very cool suggestion then. So maybe what we can do is to just put the name that of the font that we just added. So all that string that we did in Emacs is going to be just the name of the font, because as you said, he only cares about the name.
Yeah,
Then
no, but
you can copy the TTF of the font that we have in the Letris folder to your personal user one.
yeah, I mean, yes, sure I can do that, but this is not like this doesn't really do anything for us because it will like work on my machine, and then if you do that for
Yeah, no,
you,
I'm
it will work
completely
on my
against that
machine.
idea, but I just want to see if it's gonna do something because right now it did nothing for us.
Okay, fair enough. Let me just see, like, mm, mm, mm. Okay, one sec. Wanna grab something. Is it? Yeah, it's quickly local projects, alloy. Yeah. Uh, Interesting. Renderers, OpenGL, and SDF Lisp. Let me go there. Also, let me like change everything back as it was. Yeah. So renderers, OpenGL, MSDF. Oh yeah, okay. Right, right, right. I see. This is the thing that does the caching.
That makes
This is the
sense.
thing that does the caching. Although, okay, one sec. So, like apart from that system which is alloy, yeah, he has this trial alloy.
Render workbench components UI.
So, can it be like, uh, oh,
What
he
the heck
has.
is that?
Is it
Font cache.
how the fuck did you get TTF in a PNG thing?
Oh, maybe
What?
there's TTF written inside the PNG.
Yeah, but Greb cannot find it, you know?
I have no idea.
What? Huh?
Oh boy.
Sorry. Wait, what? Did I fucking close my Emacs? How? You should have
So
seen
good.
like my face. Okay, so it's font, cache. I just want to see this. Ooh.
The heck is this, dude?
And also, like my Max is really broken right now because it's well. Okay, so this is kind of fine. This I have no idea what this is, but I don't see how how TTF can be even like a thing.
No, but that's not how it works. What Emacs is showing you is the representation of reading a PNG. So maybe it is
Okay.
within the file in the metadata or whatever. I have no idea why grep, like, I was not aware that grep has this kind of power though.
Yeah, I'm also I have like 5 more minutes or something,
Okay,
and then I have to go into a
let's settle
meeting.
down then. Let's commit what we have because I think what we did, at least the images part. I think the next steps would involve asking the author how,
Yeah.
like, all these questions about, can you give us a very simple example of putting some text on the screen, because we found the examples to be more than what we need. And we also want to we need to talk about the thing about fonts being on the machine. We need to discover how to configure that to that to not be the case. The worst case scenario would be that he will say that no, this is how it's intended to be done. So this is not configurable by the developer, and then we're gonna cry, and then we're gonna do something about it. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Yeah, but I mean, I really okay. So two things to ask him: how to put text on the screen.
Yeah.
Well, okay, no, three.
With a configurable font.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So three things: how to put text on the screen
Yeah.
with a font,
Yeah.
how to do buttons,
Yes.
and well, this is like a side quest, which is how to properly do sound, which is something I
Yeah.
wanted him to
Yeah.
ask
Yeah.
me like
That's something that we are interested in doing. Anyway, you can
okay.
commit this. We did, well, at least we did something today. But that's the thing. We can't have very high expectations when the session is only about reading source code and whatever.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Uh, because, well, as we
Minor
know, it takes a long time to read somebody else's code.
minor changes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, oh yeah, right. Okay,
Okay,
I will.
I'm gonna stop streaming now. So bye, world.
Mhm.
See ya.